Imagine you're part of a university team designing an app that uses AI to match students to scholarships. It sounds exciting, right? But soon you realize if the data is incomplete or biased, some students might be unfairly left out. So, how can we make sure that AI systems are fair and trustworthy from the inside? That's what internal governance is all about. In the last unit, you saw how external governance, national laws and policies helps shape the responsible use of AI. But even when strong national laws exist, the real success of AI depends on how people inside an organization act, how they plan projects, collect data, test models, and monitor outcomes. Internal systems also allow faster fixes and changes when something goes wrong, instead of waiting for outside instructions. Governance should start within. That is why we need governance within AI companies. While external governance focuses on laws and policies like the Digital India Act or EU AI Act, internal governance means the rules, roles, and decision-making processes inside an organization that ensure AI is built and used responsibly. In this unit, we will see how teams build trustworthy AI by making ethical choices at every step, from designing projects and handling data to monitoring outcomes. Let's take a sneak peek into AI organizations' processes and learn how the stages of AI development can be governed internally. Before we take a look at organizations' internal processes, let's be clear. Internal governance means aligning human intentions with technical design. In simple words, it means making sure that the rules, values, and intentions of people are built into how technology is made and used. Or values like fairness, safety, and honesty are part of every step in designing and running technology. Now, let's look at step-by-step processes for creating and managing AI systems and how internal governance and ethics can be used at each stage. According to the Alan Turing Institute, every AI system moves through three main phases: design, development, and deployment. Thinking of this as a governance blueprint helps us see who does what and where ethics come in. Number 1. Design. Laying the foundation. Here, teams define the problem, check if AI is the right tool, identify what data is needed, and decide how to measure success. Ethics start here. Is the goal socially beneficial? Is the data representative? Is privacy respected? Number 2. Development. Building and testing. Next, the model is trained, validated, and tested. Governance here means ensuring data quality, documenting algorithms, and measuring fairness. Teams must regularly test for bias and explainability. Number 3. Deployment, using and maintaining. Once launched, AI systems must be monitored. Are outcomes still fair? Are users informed when AI makes decisions? Governance here includes feedback loops, model updates, and clear accountability. Internal governance in action, the Suvas case. Let's look at an Indian example of internal governance to understand this further. The Supreme Court's Suvas system uses AI to translate legal documents across 11 languages. Before deployment, the court formed expert committees to test accuracy, review errors, and ensure translations did not distort legal meaning. This is a great example of internal governance, defining purpose, testing outputs, involving domain experts, and assigning clear responsibility. It shows how internal checks build trust in AI use for public services. So, if we have good internal governance, do we still need external governance? Yes, in fact, internal practices and external laws reinforce each other. Laws define acceptable risks, Internal governance turns those principles into day-to-day actions, data audits, ethic reviews, or documentation. Interesting, right? But why are we talking about governance in such detail? How does this matter for students like you? It's because even if you're not a coder, you will work with AI systems in policy, media, education, health, or business. Understanding the life cycle helps you ask the right questions. Who built this system? What data powers it? How is it tested? It also opens up new career paths: AI policy analyst, ethics officer, data governance manager, or social impact consultant. Every field now needs professionals who understand responsible AI. Building responsible AI isn't about coding. It's about conscious collaboration and continuous oversight. Whether you work in technology, policy, education, remember, ethical AI starts with internal governance, and that begins with you.